Hello students, in today's English period, we are going to see question and answers of lesson number 2, that is Aesop's Fables. This question answer students you have to copy in English notebook. Students, up to you get English workbook, you have to copy the given question answers in English notebook. How the sequence in English workbook is given of question answer, in that sequence only I have given the question answers. You have to copy it in your English notebook. First question, answer the following questions. What is first question? See, name the person who first told these fables. Answer of this question is fables were first told by a wise person called Aesop. Next, second question, what did the stag like about himself and why? Answer of this question is, students, the stag liked his curving antlers because they looked graceful. Third question, what was the stag unhappy with and why? Answer, the stag was unhappy with his legs because they were ugly. Question number second, find the smaller words hidden in the following words. Students, one example already they have solved here. See which it is. Reflection. From this word you have to find smaller words which are hidden in this word. Students, sometimes what happen, already the smaller word it is there in the given word. For example, from reflection, reflect. This word as it is you can find in this word and you can copy. But sometimes what happens, like this word is not there. That time you have to take the letters from this word and you have to make new word. For example, fire, F-I-R-E. These letters you have to take from the reflection word and you have to make new word. And students, once again see, find the smaller hidden words. Means what you have to do here, from the given word you have to find smaller words. Sometimes these words as it is there in that word that you have to copy, and sometimes you have to take letters from that word and you have to make a new word. Only fire and reflect, not some other also words like left, lion, flint, not, eat, in, clot. Like this also hidden words you can find in the given word. Question number second, delighted. In this word also you can find light, delighted as it is words it is there in this word. Eat and legs, these words you have to take the help of the letters from the given word and you have to make. Now third question, graceful. From these hidden words which are that, see, grace, race. These words you can find as it is in that given word. And age and face, this you have to make new word with the help of the letters from graceful. Question number 3, find synonyms for. Here synonyms means similar meaning or same meaning. Down words are given, that words similar or same meaning word you have to write. First one, delighted, happy, beautiful, handsome. Third, disgusted, upset. Next question of 4, fill in the blanks with the correct describing word from brackets. Students, here see, describing words means what here? Describing words means adjectives. The word that describes the noun, that word is called adjective. Now here, clear, spindly, beautiful, stately, these are the adjective. That means only describing word. And you have to use the words given in the bracket for the below words. Here, first example we will see. In first example, stag is noun and beautiful is describing word, means only adjective. Now, how is the stag here? Beautiful. Stag is described by which word? Beautiful. So, the beautiful word is called describing word. Second, clear water. Third, stately antlers. Fourth, spindly legs. In the second example, clear, this word describe the water. Third example, stately. This word describe the antlers. And fourth example, spindly. This word describe the legs. So they are called describing words. Here question number 5th. In this question you have to add FUL to the following to make a new words. Means you have to add FUL to the given words to make a new words. Now here beauty. For that you have to add FUL. If you add for beauty FUL, it will become beautiful. In this beauty's Y, last letter Y you have to remove, and instead of that what you have to add? I, and front you have to write FUL. Second question, grace. In front of grace you have to write full, FUL. It will become graceful. While adding FUL, sometimes you have to make changes in that given word. For example, beauty. From this word Y you have to remove, and instead of Y you have to write I, and FUL front you have to write. It will become beautiful. And in second example, only you have to add FUL. Here no need to make changes in the word. For grace you can add FUL and it will become graceful. Next, question number 1. Answer the following questions. First, how did the stag know that the hunters were nearby? The answers of this question. The stag knew that the hunters were nearby because he heard their arrows going swish across the pool. Second, what happened to the stag in the thicket? Answer, the stag's antlers got entangled in the thick growth in the thicket. Question number 3. Write the message of the story, The Stag at the Pool. Answer, the message is that very often we dislike the very things that are most useful to us. Students, today's homework. Today whatever questions are given in this video, that you have to copy in English notebook and you have to learn. Remaining question answers we'll see in next period. Thank you.